Hi, everybody, and welcome on behalf of Alloy Software. Welcome to today's webinar. We're very excited to talk about the new Navigator Express and to show you all the great things we've been working on. My name is Christine, and I'm one of Alloy's solution advisors. I specialize in aligning our customers with the right solutions and working with them to understand their ever-changing needs. Corey and Giancarlo are with us as well. Corey is a seasoned product expert on our technical services team. He specializes in helping our customers get the very best from our solutions.
Hi, everyone. Excited to be here talking about what we've been working on. This particular release is something that we're very, very proud of, and we're happy to be here sharing it with you.
Thanks, Corey. Like me, Giancarlo is on our solutions team. He makes sure our customers have everything they need to be successful, just like me. He'll be off screen and off mic fielding questions and comments during the webinar, but he does say hi. Thank you, Giancarlo. If you look down in your lower right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a message box where you can send us your questions. At the end of the Q&A session, we'll answer them in the order they're received. Now keep in mind, feature requests and other information about your challenges are always welcome. Everything we do is centered on your needs. Direct customer requests are what drive our product development. We listen carefully to what you ask for, and we work hard to deliver on those expectations. This new release is no different. You asked for a stronger and more efficient web offering, so we streamlined the text web portal and with usability improvements and a collection of new functionality. You wanted stronger integration between Navigator and the applications you use most? We've added Zapier support to provide seamless integration with over 1,500 popular applications. You told us you and your team are on the go, so we delivered a mobile app with Google and Apple Store support, complete with push notifications. You'll be up to date wherever you are. The improvements we're highlighting here today will have a positive impact on the way you and your teams provide service, no doubt. But this isn't all. There are a lot of other improvements in this latest release that we believe will enhance your experience as well. So without further delay, let's dive into the new Navigator. Let me just share my screen with you. Sorry about that. I lost you. Here we go. Let's get started. Okay, Corey, can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Great. The Technician's Web Portal is a one-stop shop for everything IT. This is where you resolve customer issues, understand installed software on workstations and servers, recognize infrastructure changes that can impact critical systems, and much more.
Logging in is seamless with Windows Authentication single sign-on, so there's no fiddling with accounts and passwords, and there's also no client software to install, so the upgrades are super fast too.
As you can see, the new Navigator takes the interface to the next level. The dashboard's new look with softer colors and a cleaner layout makes it more efficient and more satisfying to use. Notice each dashboard widget has a refresh symbol. In the new Navigator, dashboards automatically provide you with updated information. Each widget refreshes as information is updated. This ensures you'll always be looking at the most recent data and making the best possible decisions. It also means that managers will stay up to date by seeing critical KPIs in real time.
And you can easily leverage the numerous dashboard widgets that come with Alloy Navigator, or you can create your own using various widget types, including charts, tables, statistical counts, activity alerts, and more.
To maximize the usability, other aspects of the interface have also been improved, such as toolbars, the navigation on sidebar, grid views, and preview panes. The sidebar now has a new look with upgraded icons. These icons are color-coded and they allow you to be able to see the various different areas at a glance to find what you're looking for. You can even search the sidebar. If there's something that you can't find, then easily find it to work with it. Grid views now have a cleaner design, and we've added profile pictures of requesters, assignees, managers, and other people in your organization. This creates a more personable experience and ensures higher levels of customer service. Studies show that seeing the person you're working with improves the quality of your interaction with them.
Navigator automatically imports pictures of your company's employees from Active Directory by default, so it doesn't require any extra configuration.
The redesigned preview pane is even more of a time saver. Simply highlighting items in the grid view gives you an information-rich display without having to repeatedly open forms to find something as simple as an end user's phone number. Depending on your phone system, you can even launch a call directly from the preview by clicking the link.
And as a side note, these preview panes are fully customizable. So if you'd like to add information or change the look and feel, you can do just that. To add a field, you simply insert a placeholder with the click of a button. If you'd like to customize it further, you have full control with HTML and CSS.
The new Navigator also includes game-changing functionality updates. If you've ever needed to update the category on 100 records or more, you know firsthand that opening up each record and manually changing the value is really unproductive. Now you can make quick work of that challenge by selecting multiple items and using the batch update. It's never been that easy. You can also perform tasks in a batch as well. To do that, you go to Actions and use the general task functions. So let's say you wanted to assign multiple incidents to a technician because the current assignee is on vacation. To assign in batch, highlight the items in your view and select Assign To. It's that easy.
And whether your technician runs batch update or an individual workflow item is completely controllable via permissions, so you can restrict or allow access to these items as needed.
Now, we all have regularly scheduled tasks that we need to do and then document that we did them. Manually creating a ticket for each task every time they need to be done, is a hassle. Recurrent tickets allow you to create a schedule and then to repeat those tasks on time and be automatically alerted when it's time to complete them. When opening items from the grid view, you'll notice several improvements here as well. The task action bar has been given a slick new set of icons, which gives the workflow an updated feel and makes it easier to identify your selection. Workflow sideouts have replaced the pop-ups to ensure you aren't battling and resizing multiple windows. Everything is now in one place. It's much cleaner and organized, which ultimately improves productivity and increases usability.
Other notable functionality additions are the ability to merge persons and computers, viewing audit snapshots, managing reports, and several other performance enhancements.
As you can see, the improved Technicians web portal supports greater efficiency and productivity for you and your team. Everything from the dashboard refresh to the addition of profile pictures was done with the intention of providing the best possible experience. We put that same effort into ensuring you can integrate Navigator Express with other business applications. Managing multiple applications comes with a long list of challenges. You may find yourself manually entering redundant information in different ways depending on the different applications you're using. This can result in inconsistent, potentially conflicting information and ultimately mistakes. Now you can tackle these challenges by integrating Navigator with your critical business applications using the newly added Zapier support. Using Zapier, Navigator Express seamlessly integrates with over 1,500 applications like Google Docs, Trello, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and many, many more. For instance, you can integrate your choice of chat programs directly into the self-service portal to provide a more robust and end-user experience. one that automatically creates a new ticket containing the transcript of the conversation. Here you can see we've integrated a popular chat application called Pure Chat, but you can choose from a list of any of the ones that are in Zapier, and there's many that are available.
All right. You and your customers can communicate through the chat, and through the magic of Zapier, when the chat is completed, a ticket is created with the discussion's transcript.
You're sure to improve your customer's experience by giving them the ability to chat with support directly and automatically create a ticket containing the chat's conversation. This automation saves you time and allows you to track your interactions more efficiently and accurately. Here's an example of how easy it is to integrate applications with Alloy Navigator using Zapier. Let's say you use Trello, a popular project management application. When you create a change request in Navigator Express, you want to create a card in Trello to track it there as well. To do this is really easy. You simply go to create your Zap, search for Navigator Express, choose the trigger event, new change request, and then search for Trello, the application you want to work with. Select that. And then choose the action event, which we said was create a card. So now when a change request is created in Navigator Express, a new card will automatically create in Trello. You can even add conditions to specify when and why the card is created. From this point, all that's left is to provide the login information for both the applications, and you're done. Integration has never been so easy.
The beauty of Zapier is that it acts as a middleware between our application's powerful API and tons of different software applications. So there's no need for scripts or complicated configuration.
As you can see, Zapier works with so many popular applications. It's easy to create strong automation between your different business systems. You can send messages to your Slack channel when a new ticket is submitted, or create a ticket in Navigator Express when a CloudWatch alarm senses a change. There are so many options. Simply choose which application you want to work with and set up the integration with a few clicks.
And as a side note, if you don't see an application listed on Zapier and you want to integrate it with Alloy Navigator Express, it doesn't mean it's not possible. We still have an extremely powerful API that can be used to integrate with any application, even outside of Zapier's offerings. If you're unsure how to leverage our API, just let us know what you're looking to achieve, and we'll give you a hand.
We're excited about providing you with the ability to integrate your business applications into Navigator, saving time, reducing errors, and eliminating those redundant processes. Not only do you have integration with tons of popular applications, but now Navigator seamlessly incorporates a powerful mobile application. The typical IT professional is constantly pulled away from their desk as they're asked to join meetings and visit remote locations to solve technical issues. Being on the go presents a challenge because it can mean you'll be disconnected from your help desk, and that's never a good situation. To overcome this challenge, we've included a full-featured mobile app that integrates seamlessly into the new Navigator. With both iOS and Android support, it's easiest to stay connected to your customers no matter where you are or what device you use. The mobile app, as you can see here in this phone emulator, ensures you'll stay up to date with tickets and important announcements. You can search for and look up information, leverage views to display specific sets of ticket data, create new tickets when customers catch you away from your desk, and communicate with customers and other technicians as you tackle outstanding situations on the go.
You can also reassign or resolve tickets easily using the same exact workflow you're already accustomed to in the web client. So everyone who uses the mobile app will automatically know how to use it.
While you're on the go, you'll need to be alerted of issues as they occur. So we've included push notifications that will pop up on your phone when events happen. For instance, When a customer updates a ticket assigned to you, you'll get a notification at the top of your phone. Clicking on that notification will bring you directly to the ticket so you can review the communication and respond as needed. Push notifications make sure no matter where you are, you're alerted and can react to what's happening. That awareness and the ability to respond translate into high levels of customer service. Installing the mobile app from the Apple Store and the Google Play Store takes under a minute to download, install, and configure. It's very easy.
Also, don't forget about our barcode scanner app that allows you to perform a physical inventory of assets with your phone. You no longer need costly barcode scanning hardware and proprietary software to do a physical inventory. Using your phone, you can easily scan a barcode or asset tag label and identify devices immediately. Just like the mobile app, you can find it in the Apple and Google stores, and it only takes a minute or two to get it up and running.
We recognize that staying connected is a major priority. Now you don't always have to leave your customers behind when you're not at your desk. You can always stay on top of your IT-related tasks with the new Navigator's mobile app. As you can see, in the new Navigator, we've done our very best to listen to what matters to you most. In the web portal, we've added tons of usability improvements with new features like batch update and recurrent tickets. Zapier integration ensures you can integrate with over 1,500 business applications. And finally, we've added full mobile support for both iOS and Android platforms, complete with push notifications to ensure you're always connected. There's even more in the new Navigator, such as virtual machine and hypervisor improvements, support for the latest Mac, Linux, and Windows operating systems, a redesigned look and feel for knowledge base articles, the ability via permissions to restrict a technician from exporting data, and much more. We're extremely proud of the improvements we've made here to Alloy Navigator Express and are eager to hear your feedback and stories as you experience the benefits firsthand. Our team has worked tirelessly to deliver an even stronger offering worthy of our customers, just like yourselves. With that said, let's begin with our Q&A session. Remember, if you look in the lower right-hand corner, you'll see a message box where you can send us feedback. Please feel free to send any comment or question you have, and we'll answer them in the order they're received. Okay. Our first question comes, and it's asked, can you change ticket priority or reassigning the requester to another user? Some users send in tickets for another user and would be helpful to correct the true requester from the mobile app. Corey, you want to field this one?
Oh, sure, Christine. So the way that the mobile application is expected to work, all of the actions that you have available to you in the web interface would be made available to you in the mobile application. So at the moment, I don't believe that there is an action actually available for changing the requester or the ticket priority. However, it doesn't mean it's not possible. Just as with everything in the application, it's customizable, and we'd be able to give you a hand with that as well.
Great question. Thanks, Corey. Let's see if we have another question. Oh, here we go. How does network inventory change, if at all?
I can take this one as well.
Okay, thanks, Corey.
Sure. So the network inventory does have some added improvements to it as well if you haven't already upgraded. And we've added things like support for a wider range of operating systems in terms of scanning, but we've also added the support for an actual network diagram that you'd be able to create and download and export out into a Visio or PDF format. Feel free to review our previous webinar displaying that, or let us know at support if you have any questions, and we'll be sure to make sure you're familiar with the functionality.
Thanks, Corey. I'm not seeing any other questions being presented. You can always email them to us and let us know if you think of them afterwards. No problem. We're going to send a recorded version of this out as well. That should be anybody that's been registered will get a copy of that. So I'd like to thank everybody. Whoop, sorry, somebody else has just popped a question in. Let's see. Love the barcode scanner from the mobile app. If you scan an item, I understood you correctly. If I understood you correctly, does it bring up the item if it's already in the database? Also, how do you generate the barcodes? I'm
Okay.
going to leave this to Corey.
Sure. Thanks for the question, Tracy. Yes, when you scan the barcode, it pulls up the information that you have on the device in the database. And then what you can do, you can review the data there, and you can also ensure that it's checked into its proper location, so you understand physically where the barcode or where the device is. Now, with regards to creating the barcodes, all of the records within your database should already have barcodes. Should already have barcode data applied to them. It's just a matter of running a simple report, and that's included with your installation. So there is an actual report that you'd be able to print out all of the barcode labels. Obviously, you would print it out on the barcode stickers, and then you'd be able to slap them onto your devices as needed. But there's a report for generating the barcode labels already included in the application.
Thanks, Corey.
Mm-hmm.
I have the question here. Is this version available now? Yes, it is available. It's out on our support portal. The apps are available in the Google Play Store and the Apple Store currently. You can just download those as well. Okay. Sorry, I'm sifting through what we got here. Here we go. Does the Alloy Inventory Scanner app allow for something else besides changing location of the asset? For example, edit serial number. Currently, it does not, but I know that we do have a feature request with updates like these available, and so I'll make sure that these two fields are included on that, and we'll make sure it's incorporated for that change. I'm not sure when that's going to be released, but I do believe it should be sometime this year from what I've been told by development. Great question. Thank you. And
it looks like we got a question from Roland regarding the current Navigator 7 installation. So even if you're on Navigator 7, you can, as Christine indicated, download version 8 and perform an upgrade for it. With you being on Navigator 7, you could actually put it into what is called a pilot phase, and you'd be able to work in the pilot environment for 8, testing it out and taking a look at the new features we've outlined today, while maintaining your version 7 production environment. Or you can go right into version 8. It's entirely up to you, but it's available for download. So I'd recommend getting your hands on it as soon as you can, Roland.
Okay. I see one last question here. Are we able to see the knowledge base on the mobile application? And that question is in the near future. Currently, knowledge base articles are not able to be seen as incidents and work orders. We put out what you kind of needed to put out your fires immediately. So we'll be sure that that's added as well, and it's incorporated. We know that there's work that we're doing to bring more and more to the mobile app as more of you IT folk are being called out in the field and needing those options to be available on your phones. And now I'm going to thank everybody for coming to the webinar. We really do appreciate the time away from your busy days. Hope you guys all, no matter where you are, have a good morning, afternoon, evening, and take care. Thank you, Corey and Jan. Have a great day.